Hello friends, welcome to Easy Computer Classes. Today's point is data mining issues. So there are many important implementation issues associated with the data mining. We'll go with one by one. First data mining issue is human interaction. We know that human interaction is very important in analyzing the knowledge defined by your KDD process. Since data mining problems are not often precisely stated, that is the reason why we required interfaces like your domain expert or technical experts. Technical experts are used to formulate the queries and assist in interpreting the results. They are helping us to properly understanding the result generated by the KDD process. Users are needed to identify training data and the desired results, but definitely to do this human interaction is very important. Second issue which is associated with the data mining is the outlier. There are often many data entries that do not fit into the derived model. This problem is very common in the KDD process, and this becomes the issue with the large databases. If a model is developed that includes the outlier, then the model may not behave well for the data that are not outliers. Means that if the model is having outliers, we cannot develop the good model, or will not get the good result when we implement the model on the data. The third issue associated with the data mining issue is interpretation of the results. Currently, data mining output may require experts to correctly interpret the results, which might otherwise be meaningless to the average database user. We already talked on this interpretation problem. The next is visualization of the results. To easily view and understand the output of the data mining algorithms, visualization of the result is very important. We already walked through visualization techniques which was discussed in the previous section. The fifth issue associated with the data mining is multimedia data. Most previous data mining algorithms are targeted to the traditional data types like numeric, character, text, etc. The use of multimedia data such as is found in the GIS databases complicates or invalidates many proposed algorithms. This is the fifth issue associated with the multimedia data. Sixth issue is missing data. This is important one. During the pre-processing phase of KDD, missing data may be replaced with some estimate. Means if in the KDD process, if we don't have a data with us, in that case we need to assume or we need to estimate some data. This and other approaches to handling missing data can lead to invalid results in the data mining steps. This is one possibility we can predict, that if we supply or if we assume some missing data, that may lead to some invalid results. So these are the issues associated with the data mining. The next issue associated with the DME is irrelevant data. Sometimes some attributes in the database might not be interest of the data mining task to be developed. So irrelevant data or data of not any use is the problem associated with the data mining issue. Noisy data is the next issue. Some attribute values might be invalid or incorrect. These values are often corrected before running data mining applications. Otherwise, what happen if you're not getting it correct before the mining application, that might, these values might get disturbed the result. So that is why such type of incorrect or invalid values are called as a noisy data. The last one is changing data. Database cannot be assumed to be static. It is very obvious. Database is never static. It is dynamic. However, most mining algorithms do assume a static database. This requires that the algorithm may be completely rerun anytime the database changes. So basically what happened, whenever data mining algorithms they are developed by keeping in mind the database is static, and when we try to apply these algorithms on a static databases, that is okay. But if we want to apply this on a changing databases, we need to rerun the algorithms so many times whenever data get changes. So this is something which is very difficult to manage. So these are the issues which are associated with the data mining. Thank you.